Hi guys! So ngayon guys is tuturuan ko kayo kung paano tayo mag-register sa CFO guys. So first, get your phone or laptop and then go to Google Chrome guys. Ayan. Open natin yung Google Chrome. Yan, pasensya na yung mga background na maingay dyan guys ha. Basta gusto kong i-ano guys, i-details to, videohan para makashare sa inyo guys. Ayan. So palakihin lang natin. So now guys is type natin dyan cfo.gov.ph, okay? cfo.gov.ph. PH, then enter. So, pagkatapos, diretso ka na dito, guys. Ayan. Wait. Diretso ka na dito, guys. Ayan na. So, ang gagawin mo is scroll down. Ayan. So, ito yung makikita mo dito, guys. CFO Registration Services. So, GCP, PDOS, CFS, or J1 EVP PDOS. So, dito, spouses and partners of foreign nationals. Dito naman sa PDOS, guys, is family-sponsored immigrants and spouses, partners of Filipino citizens. Dito naman, guys, is au pair visa holders. J1 visa holders. So, dito mo i-click kung kayo dyan. Pero, K1 visa kasi ako guys. Kung ikaw K1 visa, CR1 guys, or spousal visa dito, ito yung i-click natin. Itong GCP. So, click natin guys. Ayan. So, ito na. Guidance and Counseling Program. So, scroll down lang natin. Ayan, scroll down lang natin guys. So, what are the requirements? So, ito yung requirements guys. Sa primary requirements, so, kailangan ang barcoded confirmation, form of GCP appointment, original valid passport, and additional 2 valid IDs guys. So, original valid visa and confirmation of permanent residence for Canada bound only guys. So, sa Canada lang yan. Petitioner's passport copy or 1 valid ID. And Philippine Statistics Authority or PSA marriage certificate in security paper if married in the Philippines. Report of marriage in Philippine Statistics Authority or PSA security paper if married overseas. And then the additional documents may be required in the event that the counselor or facilitator determines it to be essentials to complete the guidance and counseling process. It is advised for all the GCP applicants to prepare the following documents in advance if applicable to them. So, click natin. So, need guys is divorce decree, certificate of Filipino spouse or foreign spouse if previously married. So, kung divorce yung partner nyo guys, kailangan natin yung dalhin. So, annulment papers of Filipino spouse or foreign spouse if previously married also. So, proof of residency, alien registration card, ERC of foreign spouse. Proof of relationship, pictures together, emails, among others. So, yung mga, ano guys, mga messages ninyo, call logs, yun dito guys. Ito yung proof of relationship. And then death certificate if Filipino spouse or foreign spouse if widowed. So certificate of family relations, registration of foreign spouse. Proof of civil status or certificate of no marriage or sinumar guys. Valid no criminal record, certification, clearance, or any equivalent documents to indicate lack of criminal derogatory record. So documents in foreign language must be officially translated to English. So eto guys, kailangan din natin mag-ano ng NBI dito. NBI sa atin o sa partner naman natin is FBI at ang tawag sa kanila din guys. So next is how to make an appointment. So dito na tayo guys. Reserve and register online to attend the guidance and counseling program. GCP, in person. Choose your preferred office. So kung nasa Manila office kasi guys, etong Manila office, i-click mo dito. Kung sa Cebu ka po, mag-CFO, dito ka sa Cebu office, mag-click dito. And then, meron ding Davao. Kung taga Davao ka guys, tulad ko, dito tayo sa Davao office. At kung taga Baguio ka naman, dito ka sa Baguio office, mag-click. Sa Baguio office ka mag-click guys. Kung saan nyo prefer na mag-CFO, dito may 4 na pwede kayong puntahan guys. So ngayon guys is sa Davao ako. Kasi sa taga Davao ako, so sa Davao office ako mag-appointment ng CFO ko. So click lang natin to guys. Yan, click lang natin siya. So statement of confidentiality. Ayan, agree lang natin to. Click pa ba? O yan. Agree lang natin guys. Ayan. So dito tayo. Type natin. So, ito yung list of primary requirements. O, ayan yung sinabi ko kanina. Barcoded confirmation of GCP appointment, original valid passport. So, ang gagawin natin, guys, is ito. Nabasa ko na yan kanina, guys. So, sa Davao, ito yung address sa Davao. Sa 3rd floor, Pink Walters Building, Quiampo Boulevard, Eculan, Barangay 76A, Bakuna. So, ito yung email at Facebook at telephone number ng sa Davao, guys. So, meron din ditong, ano, guys, map kung paano mapunta doon. Diba, may map sila. So, hindi ka mawawala. So, now, guys, dito tayo sa create an appointment. Ito. So, type natin yung last name or apelyido. Yan. So, first name. Middle name. Suffix. Kung may junior at senior ka guys, pero wala ako. So, dito tayo sa birth date. Birth date is 29/03/1990. And then, contact number ko guys. 3, 4, and now, kailangan gamitin natin itong email guys. Email na active talaga. Yung ginagamit mo talaga na email guys. Yun yung ilagay mo dito. Let me see. Unconfirmed email. Yeah, confirm email. So, relation to petitioner or sponsor. So, select natin dito. So, fiancé partner, ano to? Former, ayan yan, fiancé partner, petitioner is a dual citizen. Kung unsa siya, dual ba iyang citizen, foreign national, former Filipino. So, akin is foreign national. So, dito tayo sa foreign national. So, ano pa ba? Wait natin, iba. So, kung spouse niyo is dual citizen, kung spouse visa kayo, ito guys, kung dual citizen, foreign national, foreign Filipino citizen, yun yung i-click nyo. So, sa akin is fiancé, foreign national. So, ito i-click ko. So, country of destination. Ayan, tingnan natin saan to. Country, USA, United States of America. So, visa type, ayan, select natin guys. So, ayan, CR1, CR6, IB1, IF1, IR1, K1, PR card holder, green card. So, sa akin is K1 kasi fiancé visa po ako. So, passport number natin. Passport number natin, guys. Ayan. Tapos, visa number natin. So, yung visa number natin. Tapos, visa expiration date, guys. Pagkatapos niyan, submit nyo na lang siya. You have successfully completed the initial step to continue with your appointment PCP. So, please check your inbox for a confirmation on email to continue with the registration. So, guys, pagkatapos dito is punta tayo ng email. Puntahan ko muna yung email ko, guys. Tap muna ako dito. So, ayan, guys. Nandito ako sa email ko. Ayan, may nag-email sa akin sa registration. So, open natin ko, guys. Ayan. Hi, kasi po, Melly. N.A. Williamore. Ayan. So, please click the button or link to confirm email continue with registration. So, click lang natin to guys. Ayan, click here. Click lang natin siya. So, dito guys, eto. So, ayan na, nandito. So, dito guys, so, Labor Day, sa Thursday, Friday, wala dito. Ano bang date ngayon? So, 12 p.m. 9 left. So, sa 13 tayo. Dito tayo sa 13. 8 ngayon, 9 bukas, 10. So, 12. So, 13 tayo magkuha. Schedule is select. Dito tayo select guys. 9 p.m. 2 p.m. Okay. So, ayan. Date selected is 13, 5. Yan na lang ang left. So, wala tayong magawa. Ano bang oras dito? Ano ba ito? So, ayan guys. So, pagkatapos guys, is ayan, nakuha ko is 13. So, 2 p.m. Save and continue na lang natin guys. Ayan. Save and continue. Tama ba? Ayan. Save and continue. Ay! So, ayun na guys. Ayun. So, form 3. So, initial GCP registration, selection of schedule, we're done. Form fill up. Number 3 na tayo guys. So, personal information. Ayan. Ano kaya itong fill 6 cards number? So, yan. Birth dates, sex. Ayan, female. So, civil status, single, never married. I'm single, never married. Permanent address. So, yan. Joaquin Kalinan. So, province. Ayan guys. Davao del Sur. Select ko na sa City or Davao City. Davao City, tapos zip code 8,000. Ayan. Telephone number, mobile number, guys. Wala kami dito sa mobile number na lang muna ilagay ko. 352. So, kung may telephone number kayo, guys, lagyan nyo dyan ng telephone number. Kung wala, huwag nyo nang lagyan. Lagyan nyo ng NA. So, NA. Wala. So, in case of emergency, dito naman tayo sa in case of emergency. So, matter na lang natin, ilagay natin dito last name, kasi po, first name. So, first name, Mylene. Or, yung papa ko na lang, or Mylene, okay na yan. Middle name, Williamore. Then, suffix, wala. A relationship, mother. Parent, yan, parent. So, telephone number, wala. Mobile number ng mama natin. So, yan, wait. So, ayan guys. So, in case of emergency, tapos na tayo dito, diba? Ayan, number ko. Tapos, in case of emergency, guys, nilagay ko sa mama ko. Ayan. tapos number, email, and then permanent address and contact numbers in the country of destination. So, wala pa akong number doon. So, number ng fiancé ko ang nilagay ko, guys. So, ito yung address, house number at country, guys, and state. So, Minnesota. So, zip code. Ayan, telephone number. Wala siyang telephone number. So, number lang. Mobile number yung nilagay ko. So, passport number, date of issue, at date of issue validity, guys. Ayan sa akin. So, visa number yan. Highest of education. So, yan lang. So, economic status, guys, unemployed nilagay ko. So, unemployed, ganyan. So, petitioner, principal's information. Dito yun ilalagay yung pangalan ng fiancé nyo, guys. Last name, first name, at middle name. So, walang suffix. So, relationship ninyo ng partner mo. So, birthday niya. American citizenship ng partner mo, guys. Kung American sa akin, is American yung nilagay ko. So, walang telephone number, mobile number, at saka email address ni fiancé, guys. So, ngayon, guys, i-check natin. So, yun, guys, kung okay na lahat, save and continue agad tayo, guys. Ayan, save and continue. Pindutin natin yan, save and continue, guys. Please come an hour before your appointment. Latecomers will not be accommodated. So, ayan, tapos na tayo, guys, sa barcode form na tayo. So, appointment details. Ayan, guys, appointment details. So, ayan, guys. So, ayan. Ito yung appointment details ko. Ayan, tapos, date appointment is May 13, 2025 time. Check natin dito, check. Appointment details to see and information. Then, send email, guys. Send email with barcode form. So, i-send email na natin, guys. Ayan. So, ayan na. Please check your email for the barcode appointment. So, we're done, guys. So, tapos na tayo dito, guys. At hanggang dito na lang to, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!